Okay, I'm going to do a quick test on my positive crankcase ventilation system, the newly designed and installed, and just show that it works. And I'm going to do it really cheaply and efficiently using a piece of paper. Welcome back to the shop. Okay, so this is how the PCV system is configured. I've got a PCV valve from a mid-90s Suzuki Swift from the 1.6 liter engine, and I've got this connected to the valve cover and into the intake directly. Also, for this system to work, you have to have a sealed valve cover opening or a cap. You can't have one of the vented caps. So, in order to do this, what I'm going to do is get the car running, and I'm going to let it warm up a little bit, and then I'll show you by just putting the piece of paper over the hole that it will suck. If the PCV system is working, it's going to suck the paper in, and that's the test. You'll also see when I put the paper over the top that there is some blow by, and it will push the paper up until I place it over the opening. Okay, the paper floats until you get it close, and it's sucking it in. Now I'm just going to put the paper, see how I got the blow by? Until you get it on top, and then it sucks it in. So, the PCV system is working.